Alright. These are the smart ones that are outside. And soon, everybody will be outside. Because this is where the food is. Come on, gang. Oh, let's go find out what's going on here. Hey, you don't have to be scared. There we go. There they all come. Yeah, we got the majority of the gang. Where's Mr. Bull? Oh, there he comes. Oh, yeah. There we go. Dinner time for everybody. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Wait, I should have 12. Where's Sparkle? What do you guys do to Sparkle? Sparkle behind there? Where's Sparkle? Sparkle must have ran away. Alright, okay, I gotta go put some fly treatment on these guys.